Hey everyone, craving a delicious meal but don't want to break the bank? Today I am going to show you how to find new and working promo codes for Uber Eats. Save money on your next order and treat yourself to some amazing deals. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is where to actually find these codes. Here are some of the best tried and true sources. Uber Eats app. Start with the app itself. Uber Eats frequently sends exclusive offers via push notifications or email, so check your inbox and make sure notifications are enabled. Coupon websites. Sites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and Groupon often have updated Uber Eats codes. Just go to their sites, search for Uber Eats, and you will find a list of promo codes and discounts. Social media. Uber Eats and its partners sometimes post promo codes on their social channels, especially during special events, holidays, or local promotions. Check out Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Once you have a code, applying it is super simple. Here's how. Open the Uber Eats app, then tap on account at the bottom of the screen, select promotions, and then tap add promo. Type in your promo code and hit apply. That's it. The discount will automatically be applied to your next order. Just make sure to double check the expiration date as some codes are only good for a limited time. Here's a pro tip. Some Uber Eats promo codes are especially for new users, while others work for everyone. If you are an existing user, look out for loyalty promos in the app. Look, spend $20, get $5 off your next order offers. This stack up and can save you a lot over time. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to finding working Uber Eats promo codes to save big on your next meal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more money saving tips. Enjoy your meal and happy eating.